Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. And so today I just want to show you a really cool product that I actually didn't think I was going to like when the company offered to send it out. They contacted me and said, hey, can we send you out some of this, one of these things? I think your audience might find it useful. And I said, well, I'm not sure if I can commit to doing a video on that or not. When I got it, I was pleasantly surprised, and it is actually pretty cool, and I would love to know some of the different uses that you guys can think of for this in a grid down situation or in a situation where you have no water. So what this is called Aquabot. And yeah, Aquabot, hydration spray bottle. This is nothing more than a Nalgene container. Okay, that this is in, an Nalgene bottle. And they have included this pump inside of it. I'll take it apart here in a second, so that you can pressurize the contents, of the water inside of it. And you can, of course, get a drink. You could, rinse your hands off. You could do a lot of things. You can also change the consistency to more of a mist. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but if you're in a desert or a hot environment, you just want to cool yourself off, that kind of thing, it's going to work great for that. If you're like a biker and you ride a bike and maybe you wear a helmet or something and it's hard to drink from water bottles or something, you can just kind of take a drink that way. I mean, there's really a lot of uses, and I would just love to see what you guys think. Rinsing off dishes at a campsite. It helps you save water because it builds pressure for you. You just pump this little top thing here, and it pressurizes the container. Pump it about, I think, 6 or 7 times, and it's good to go, something like that. And I was curious. I was like, well, I wonder how long it's going to last. I've had this thing pressurized for 6 days in a row, and it still just pumps out just like normal. I mean, it really does do a pretty good job, and it's actually constructed pretty well. Let me go ahead and pop this off and just try to show you here so you can hear the pressure in it. This plastic that is on the top part here is actually really solid and heavy duty. It's not clear like the Nalgene bottle, but it's a kind of a consistency and a hardness of, similar to a Nalgene bottle. Now, if you got a little carried away with the pump part of it, then, that could break or something like that. But being that it has this wide mouth and it's real stable, when it goes on the bottle, I mean, I don't find there being any difficulty in pumping it. I don't know how you could really mess it up, So it's pretty cool. And then it just sprays out. I mean, again, I have to get my stuff wet, but it's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm going to throw a link to the description to their website down in the description below, and you guys could go check it out. I really was pleasantly surprised. I thought it was kind of cool. I think it would help save water. I think it would be convenient, to be able to have water pressure when there is none in a sink and stuff like that. And not on a big scale like, having a garden sprayer or something that you're using to pressurize water, but, something portable and easy to carry around. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I didn't have a whole lot I was going to say about it. I would love to see your comments on what do you guys think this would be useful for. Putting out fires is another one I can think of off the top of my head. I mean, I think there's a lot of stuff. So anyway, pretty cool little product, so check it out. As always, guys, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to leave the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.